Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a lock for you. It's Bill Bacardi, number 68. There's the bidding on the key. And here's the lock. Thing I found about it is it seems to work just fine. I'm going to try to hold it in my hand. At times that'll hang up, but right then it just seemed to work fine. So I don't know what was happening with it earlier. I just put the key in and tried it. But let's give it a shot, huh? Go to the back. Okay, I just got a bunch to drop. Touched 5. Pushing up on 4. Counter. Got it to drop. Touched 5 again. It dropped more. Counter on 5. Okay, it just brought it all back. So I think I dropped 4 is what happened. Okay. Come up towards the front. I got some counter there. Yeah, that's pretty good. Back to the back. Counter there. Okay, that gave me a good drop. Counter here. And we're open. Wow. Popped open. Cool. Excellent. Nice. Let me get a plate. Let me get some light. Okay. Let me see about just pushing that thing off. Oh yeah, that shouldn't be a problem. Oh, that looks like it just push right on. Come right off the back there, yeah. Okay. Nice. All right. Okay. Pull that out of there. Ooh. Number 1's pretty high. And there. Wow, okay. Yeah, say so. All right. There's 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. And number 5. All right, let's see. Looks like I got counter and 2. Counter milling and 2. Yeah, and 4. 5. Yeah, there's counter and 5. 4. Might be a little counter milling in 3. 2. And 1 feels smooth, but so 2, I'd say 2, 4, and 5 are counter milled. The other 2, I think, that's just the way they are. All right. Let's see what we got in top. Here on Bill Bacardi, number 68. Looks like it's standard. Okay. spoolish type. Okay. Another spoolish type. That one don't want to come out, so we'll just let him rest. Another spoolish type. Ooh, that's a nasty looking one. Okay. Make sure where that came from. That one looked like 3 now. Came out. And it looks like 4 still in there. So we'll go the other way. See about getting that out. And they're all like these spoolish things. All of them. So there's that one. Yeah, that one's kind of stuck up in there. I get my oh no, you didn't. Pick out here. Yeah, it wants to hang up in there. I think we'll just leave it in there because it's in there pretty good. So I'm not seeing anything down in the top. So spring in number 4 is still inside. So here's the pins for Bill Bacardi number 68. You got a standard and standard and a standard and a spool type. Little spoolish, kind of a serrated spoolish, and then spoolish, and then standard and spool, and standard and spool. So that's what we got in Bill Bacardi number 68. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay legal and have fun. Bye.